AJ.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Michael.
I'm Eric.
And this is our Middle Tennessee Maintenance Firm Final Project. So for our firm, the layout of it is 20,000 square feet, a 200 by 100 foot building. It has 11 divisions within the firm, which include the operations office, the meeting and training room, the engineering and technical office, the personal protective equipment room, reception, IT support and server room, the tool storage, spare parts storage, welding and fabrication bay, as well as the electrical and mechanical workshop, and then we have the restrooms and the locker rooms. Now, a picture of our layout, we have all dimensions in feet. We have a clearly outlined key for every room within the firm, and the biggest rooms within the firm are the mechanical and electrical workshops, the welding and fabrication bay, and the storage. Make sure that we keep up to date with every project. First, with the electrical and mechanical workshop, it's a 2850 square foot electrical workshop where we meet the exact specifications for all of our customers across Middle Tennessee, capable of advanced mechatronics, machining, and automation, as well as electrical wiring. Equipped with cutting edge CNC laser cutters, mills, and lathes. Next, an important one is welding in the fabrication bay, sitting at 2,000 square feet. It is equipped to handle any order for our customers throughout Middle Tennessee. Dozens of welding setups, as well as mobile stations to take onto the site if necessary. We have CNC welders, cutters, industrial 3D printers, all capable of printing specific parts.
So next we got our spare parts and PPE storage, where we keep all our spare parts and all our protective equipment. The spare parts storage is going to be about 2,000 square feet, and the PPE will be about 1,000 square feet. And we make sure all our PPE and spare parts are up to date and ready to be used at any time. Our engineering and technical office is going to be about 2,000 square feet, and it's complete with CAD workstations and everything necessary to process all technical documents and files. And it's one of the most important rooms within our firm as we discuss the processes needed for the customer to be satisfied and communicating. Operations. Our headquarters for management of the firm is around 1,500 square feet, and the main function is processing work orders, scheduling, and tracking progress with all our jobs over Middle Tennessee. And we're supplied with workstations for supervisors and planners capable of communication with other departments as well. Our tool storage houses a large variety of our hand and power tools that we're not using at the moment, and it houses fixtures for the welding booth as well as bits for our lathes and mills, and it'll be about 700 square feet. Our IT and server room is about 1,000 square feet, and it's just a room that's spacious enough for all our data banks and systems used within all the technical processes of our firm.
The meeting and training room, it's just a very large room with PowerPoints, or a screen for PowerPoints, I mean. It's useful for training and meetings, but that's not much to say about it. There's a reception area. It's a good place to make a good first impression and just helps with like scheduling clients and getting packages and things like that. We would have pretty quality locker and restrooms. Employees can keep stuff in there or just use the restroom. There's really not a lot to say about it. We have weekly meetings, or the way that the project team communicated. We just had weekly meetings and talked about the direction that we wanted to take the company, and if anything needed to come up sooner, we just used GroupMe. Eric and AJ both worked together for the design and details. AJ did the CAD drawings though. Michael Martis is our accomplishments guy, and I mostly did the communication, or I don't know how to phrase this, sorry. Like organizing stuff, making sure we all get together and, you know.
right, so our design of the firm, when designing this firm, we had to keep in mind the size of our staff, how many members of the team that we're going to have. We needed a lot of operating space, obviously because we're a maintenance firm. We have a lot to do for our clients, being for Middle Tennessee. We've got to make everything clean and efficient. We made sure that the electrical and mechanical workshop and the welding and fabrication bay are optimal for all the jobs that we need to do. So, our list of accomplishments that we are proud of. Our company has maintained a very exquisite safety record of 0 incidents over the course of multiple consecutive years of operation. The required PPE that we have for all our employees that are working on the maintenance floor or doing any sort of jobs that require PPE, our PPE is very sophisticated. We go beyond the industry standards of our competitors, which we are very proud of. For our equipment, all of our equipment and machinery is sourced from the latest producers and is extremely state-of-the-art. Our equipment is maintained to the same standards that we apply to all of our customers in terms of maintenance. So, our service ratings rank higher than our competitors in many areas, including expediency, quality, service, and coverage. Thank you all for your time. We enjoyed in fulfilling all your maintenance requests and needs.
This has been our group. Thank you.